Hello everyone, if you're trying to play Fortnite and you keep getting this error, launch failed, could not launch Fortnite, error code LS-0013, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to fix this annoying error on Fortnite easily. So first off, what you're going to do is you're going to close up Epic Games Launcher. So just close Epic Games Launcher up, open up your start menu, right run, right tap data, go into local, and here you're going to find the folder called Epic Games Launcher. So just click on any folder, press E on your keyboard. Here it is, Epic Games Launcher. You're going to open it up, go into saved. Here you'll have this folder called web cache. You're just going to go ahead and delete this folder. And after that, open up your start menu. You're going to search for Epic Games. You're going to right click on it, click open file location, right click on it again, click open file location again. And here, what you're going to do is you're going to right click on it, go into properties, click compatibility, click run this program as an administrator, click OK then. Run Epic Games Launcher now. And here you're going to go into your library. Now what you're going to do is you're going to click onto these three dots on Fortnite. I'm going to use GTA as an example. You're going to click manage. You're going to click on to open install location here. Now you're going to right click on your Fortnite, go into properties. You're going to go into compatibility. You're going to make sure that run this program as an administrator is unticked on Fortnite. Click OK then. Now you can go ahead and try to play Fortnite. When you click on launch, you'll see that your game will launch correctly and you will not get that LS0013 error anymore. So there it is guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.